Bonjour à tous, bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, bonjour tout le monde. Il est bientôt Thanksgiving. It's almost Thanksgiving. I'm thinking of you. I have a big cup of coffee. You see this? Well, we're going to read on with Tintin because we are still more than 10 readers. So we go on. And remember that Tintin is trying to escape from the city. And we have a small idea that he might be in one of those bags. But then the guard, he says, un instant, a moment. Qu'y a-t-il dans ces sacs? What is there in those bags? So I think they're going to check the bags. Du riz, mon lieutenant. Rice, my lieutenant. Nous allons voir. We're going to see. Enfoncez-moi votre baïonnette dans tous ces sacs. So enfoncer means like to plunge in or to drive in or to puncture with your bayonet in all the bags. So you see what he's doing? He's plunging his bayonet into all the bags. Not sure Tintin is in there because I think he might be punctured. C'est fait, mon lieutenant. It's done, my lieutenant. Ça va, passez. It's okay, pass. So they can pass. You see, they're driving or pushing the cart out of the city. And then there is a big military armored vehicle coming, approaching the gates of the city. And someone inside is asking, n'avez-vous pas vu passer une charrette chargée de sacs et poussée par trois Chinois? So have you not seen come by, pass, a cart charged or full of bags and pushed by three Chinese? Oui, je l'ai vu. Yes, I saw it. Pourquoi? Why? Tonnerre, vous vous êtes laissé berner, lieutenant. Oh, thunder, that's what they say all the time instead of saying, my God. And then we have the expression se laisser berner. It's a bit like to fall for the scam. We could say you swallowed the bait. Tintin était caché dans un de ses sacs. Tintin was hidden in one of those bags. Yes, that's not good. Eh bien, me voilà propre. Well, here I am. Propre means clean. Here I am. Not so very clean, we would say. Tous les sacs ont pourtant été transpercés. So all the bags have, anyhow, pourtant, have been, I would say, punctured. Je n'y comprends rien. I don't understand anything of it. And so the armored vehicle is leaving the city. Adjudant, la sentinelle de garde aux autos blindés a disparu. Well, adjutant or whatever rank he is, la sentinelle is, well, the lookout of the guard of the armored vehicles has disappeared. So they're going to check here, both of them. Où a-t-elle pu passer? Where has, well, he says she because it's la sentinelle, the lookout. In French, it's feminine. So where, I would say here, where has he been able to pass, to go? Where is he? And then he's tripping over, some feet sticking out. Adjudant, là, la sentinelle. So adjutant, whatever rank that is, there, the lookout. So hidden underneath the armored vehicle. Allô? Hello? Oui, vous dites? Yes, you're saying? On a volé une auto blindée. They have stolen an armored vehicle. Voyons, ce n'est pas possible. Vous divaguez? Come on, that is not possible. You're divaguer, maybe you're rambling. You're not very well. C'est bien, j'arrive. Very well, I'm coming. Haha. You see who took the armored vehicle? Tintin and his friend. Toutes les chances. Toutes les chances means we had all the luck. We were very lucky. Nous sommes passés comme une lettre à la poste. It really means we have passed through the gates as a letter in the mail. But what does it mean as a letter in the mail? It means very, very easily, without any problem. Sans compter que nous avons retrouvé ce brave Milou qui errait dans la rue. Without counting that we have found back the brave Milou who was wandering down the street. J'en ai assez. I have enough of it. Assez, comprenez-vous? Enough. Do you understand? On vous volera bientôt un régiment tout entier, scrognogno. So they, and then volera means will steal soon, vous, from you, an entire regiment, scrognogno, well, that's something in Japanese. I cannot really translate that. Et vous n'y verrez que du feu. And you verrez, you will not see any fire in it, meaning you will not find that exceptional. Voir que du feu means to see something unusual in it. I hope you understand, otherwise ask me the question. Et pourquoi ne lui a-t-on pas immédiatement donné la chasse? And why haven't they immediately, why haven't they given the chase? Why haven't they chased him immediately? Répondez, answer. Pourquoi? Why? Impossible, mon général. Impossible, my general. Tous les autres moteurs avaient été sabotés. All the other motors have been sabotaged. Oh my God. Mais alors, qu'on le fasse poursuivre par une escadrille d'avions tonnerres. But then, make him, fasse poursuivre, make him, yes, chase him, poursuivre is to chase, to follow, to chase, by a, what shall I say, by a squadron of planes, thunder. So, I hope you understood that all the motors of all the vehicles have been sabotaged by Tintin. And so he says, well, then you take planes and you follow him. So you see there the planes are leaving outside the city. Voilà 3/4 d'heure que l'escadrille est partie. Well, it is 3/4 of an hour that the squadron has left. Que font-ils donc? What are they doing? Donc means so. So what are they doing? Drin! Telephone is ringing. Allô? Oui, mon général. Hello, yes, my general. Nous avons repéré l'auto blindé. We have spotted the blinded car, the armored car or armored vehicle, à 12 milles d'ici sur la route, at 12 miles from here on the road. Elle était arrêtée. It was stopped. And why does it say elle, she? Because car, vehicle, is feminine in French. So it was stopped. Oui, nous avons atterri. Yes, we have landed with the planes. Et nous avons été voir. And we have gone to see. Elle était vide. It was empty. Oui, plus personne. Yes, nobody anymore. Je ne sais pas. I don't know. Mais, mon général, allô, allô? But, my general, hello, hello? Des incapables, incompetent people tous des incapables. They're all incompetent. Scrognogno. That's what he says all the time, which I cannot translate. Qui nous dira maintenant où se trouve Tintin? Who will tell us now where is Tintin? And you see, there is. Procédons par ordre. Let's proceed in order. Si l'on veut sauver votre fils, il faut tout d'abord retrouver Fan Seying. If we want to save your son, il faut, it's necessary, tout d'abord, first of all, to find back Fan Seying. Ensuite, nous nous occuperons de Mitsu Hirato et de sa bande. After that, nous nous occuperons means we will take care of. We will take care of Mitsu Hirato and his gang. Je partirai donc demain matin pour Uku sur le Yangtze-Kiang. I will leave, so I will leave, hein, donc is so I will leave tomorrow morning for Uku on the Yangtze-Kiang. C'est là que la rançon du professeur doit être remise à ses ravisseurs. It is there that the ransom of the professor must be given to his kidnappers. Et le lendemain, and the following morning, so I think they're sitting in the train, yes, Tintin and Milou. Vous ne le saviez pas? You didn't know? Le fleuve a rompu ses digues. So the river has broken its dikes. Tout le monde fuit devant l'inondation. Everybody is fleeing for the flooding. Inondation means flooding. Je me demande même si vous pourrez arriver à Uku. I ask myself, so I wonder even if you will be able to arrive at Uku. Not good news. So you see the train stopped and then all the people are moving. Que se passe-t-il? What is happening? Le train ne va pas plus loin. The train is not going further. La voie est coupée. The track is cut, is broken. Uku, c'est encore loin? Uku, is it still very far? 3 heures de marche. 3 hours walk. And you see Tintin and Milou are walking on the track, and there they see, well, you see the track is totally broken and is in the water. And then what do I look here? There is a cow upside down in the river. Everything's floating. And somebody is screaming, Au secours, à moi! Help me! And so Tintin is taking off his clothes and going to help, well, someone who's drowning. So he goes into the water, swimming together with Milou. And you see they're really getting close to the person who's drowning, taking him by the shoulders, dragging him out of the water. Oh my God, I don't know what I did here. This is really very strange. I don't know what this is better. I don't know what happened. So taking him out of the water. Il vit. He's alive. Eh bien, ça va mieux. Well, is it better? Tu étais en train de boire la grande tasse 1. You were drinking, and the ing form in French is en train de. Hein? You were drinking the big cup. Hein? So he was drinking the big cup means he was drowning. Comment t'appelles-tu? How are you called? What's your name? Moi, je me nomme Tintin. Me, I'm called Tintin. Moi, Chang. Chang Chong-yen. Me, it's Chang Chong-yen. Mais pourquoi m'as-tu sauvé la vie? But why have you saved my life? We will see later that Chang is one of the best friends. He will stay forever one of the best friends of Tintin, the little boy Chang. So why did you save my life? Oui, pourquoi? Yes, why? Je croyais que tous les diables blancs étaient méchants. I believed that all the white devils, white people, were nasty, were bad. Comme ceux qui ont massacré mon grand-père et ma grand-mère. As the ones that have, well, slaughtered, massacré, have slaughtered my grandfather and my grandmother. Il y a longtemps, a long time ago. Mon père m'a dit que c'était pendant la guerre des points de justice. So my father told me that it was during the war of the, well, point de justice. I think you call it the Boxer Rebellion, if I remember well. A long time ago. I think it was some like 1900 something. Ah oui, la guerre des boxers. Ah, you see here, that's what he says. It's the, yeah, you call it the Boxer Rebellion. Mais non, Chang, tous les blancs ne sont pas mauvais. But no, Chang, not all the white people are bad. Mais les peuples se connaissent mal. But people know each other. The each other, that's the se. You see here the se. Know each other not very well, mal. Ainsi, beaucoup d'Européens s'imaginent que. So, a lot of Europeans imagine that. Well, I'm sorry, I took the picture, I scanned the picture a bit in a funny way, but well, so Europeans think that tous les Chinois sont des hommes fourbes et cruels. So all the Chinese are men or people that are deceitful and cruel, qui portent une natte et qui passent leur temps à inventer des supplices. So qui portent, who are wearing des nattes, what do you call it, braids, and who pass their time, they spend their time with inventing des supplices, tortures, et à manger des œufs pourris et des nids d'hirondelles. So, and they are eating rotten eggs and swallow nests. Ces mêmes Européens croient dur comme fer que toutes les Chinoises, sans exception, ont des pieds minuscules. And those same Europeans, they believe hard as iron, they believe very, very, very hard, yes, that all the Chinese girls, Chinoises, Chinese girls, without any exception, have very small feet et que maintenant encore, toutes les petites filles chinoises subissent 1000 tortures. And that still now, all the little girls, all the Chinese little girls subissent, they undergo 1,000 tortures. Yes, these are all the stereotypes that Europeans have about Chinese. And so the Europeans also think that those Chinese girls, destinées à empêcher leurs pieds de se développer normalement. So that they are destined, that they are intended to prevent their feet from developing normally. Enfin, ils sont convaincus que toutes les rivières de Chine sont pleines de petits bébés chinois que l'on jette à l'eau dès leur naissance. And they are convinced that all the rivers in China are full of little Chinese babies that have been thrown in the water from their birth on. And you see Chang, he's laughing. Et voilà, mon cher Chang, comment beaucoup d'Européens voient la Chine. And that's, my dear Chang, how a lot of Europeans see China. Ah, qu'ils sont drôles les habitants de ton pays. Ah, how funny they are, the inhabitants of your country. Pendant ce temps, during the time, Général, je vous apporte des nouvelles de Tintin. General, I'm bringing you news from Tintin. Vous savez où il se trouve? You know where he is? Je viens de recevoir un télégramme m'annonçant qu'il a pris ce matin le train pour Uku. So I have just received a telegram announcing that he has taken this morning the train for Uku. Uku? Mais c'est en plein territoire chinois. But that is in full Chinese territory. Du moment qu'il est là, nous ne pouvons rien contre lui. From the moment that he is there, we will not be able to do anything against him. Pardon, général, il existe un moyen. Excuse me, General, there exists a way, a means, a way, et ce moyen, le voici. And this way of doing, here it is. So he's going to explain how they can do something against Tintin even though he's on Chinese territory. Et maintenant, Chang, que vas-tu faire? And now, Chang, what are you going to do? J'ai perdu mes parents. I lost my parents. Je ne sais où aller. I don't know where to go. Ah, si je pouvais vous accompagner. Ah, if I could accompany you. C'est que je vais peut-être courir de grands dangers. It is that I'm going maybe be in big danger. Des grands dangers. I'm going to be in danger. Eh bien, à deux, nous serions plus forts. Well, when we're two, hein, à deux, we will be stronger, plus fort. Alors, en route pour Uku. So then, on the road, let's go to Uku. Je connais un raccourci. I know a shortcut. Raccourci, it's a shortcut. And so they're going together, Tintin and Chang, and of course, Milou. Thank you for reading with me. Next time when I see you, you will have, I hope, a very, very nice Thanksgiving. And I hope to see you next week, next Tuesday. Have a very, very nice Tuesday and see you soon.